Okay, so let us start with the previous video. Here we are studying the different techniques of data mining. So previously we discussed the different techniques are decision trees and regression, and now we are going to discuss the artificial neural networks. So we will continue with the third technique, that is artificial neural networks. So a decision task may be processed by just one neuron and the result may be communicated. So answer of one question, questions will be processed by one neuron, and answer of that question will be provided to the another neuron, and it what the chain will transform. Alternatively, there could be many layers of neurons involved in a decision task depending upon the complexity of the domain. So here many layers of neurons will be there in one layer. So many neurons will be there. All together they will process and they will solve one problem. Output of that problem will be sent to another uh, layer of the neurons, and there again the data will be processed, and finally how the answer we can achieve. The neural network can be trained by making a decision over and over again with many data points. So how as a human being we get trained by solving many problems, so like that only a neural network can also be trained by making decision for different data again and again. It will continue to learn by adjusting its internal computation and communication parameters based on feedback received on its previous decision. So it will also adjust its internal computation based on the parameters or feedback received from the previous decisions. The intermediate values passed within the layers of neurons may not make any intuitive sense to an observer. The intermediate values passed within the layers of neurons may not make any intuitive sense to an observer. It means inside the layer of neurons, what happens out, observer cannot know. So that's why it is also called a black box system. The next data mining technique is called the cluster analysis. So cluster analysis is an exploratory learning techniques that helps in identifying a set of similar groups in the data mining. Here a cluster is a technique to find out a similar group of data in a data set. It is a technique used for automatic identification of natural groupings of things. Data instances that are similar to each other are categorized into one cluster. So data related to each other will be placed in one cluster, and data similar to other type will be put up into another cluster. So while data instances that are very different from each other are categorized into separate clusters. So if data are different, then they will be put up into the separate clusters. There can be any number of clusters that could be produced by the data. It can have any number of clusters in the data set. The k-means technique is a popular technique and allows the user guidance in selecting the right number of k of clusters from the data. So k-means technique is a very popular clustering technique where K guides the number of clusters in the dataset. Clustering is also known as the segmentation technique, and it helps divide and conquer large data set. It means mm, this clustering a large data will be divided and it will be segregated and separated, and it make a different clusters. So it is also called a divide and conquer large data sets. A huge data will be divided in two parts. Again, each part will be divided on into different parts based on the quality and similarity. Another technique, data mining technique, comes is the association rules. So association rules are a popular data mining method in business, especially where selling is involved, where uh, selling market like Flipkart, Amazon, Netflix, and all those things. So these are the so these places, these association rules will be used, also known as market-based basket analysis. It helps in answering questions about cross-selling opportunities. So it is also called a market basket analysis, and it helps in answering questions of a cross-selling opportunities. This is the heart of the personalization engine used by the e-commerce sites like Amazon.com and streaming movie sites like Netflix.com. So this technique will be used majorly by Amazon.com or Flipkart.com or Netflix.com to find the association rules or associativity with different items. The technique helps find interesting relationship between variables. This technique, it helps to find the important relationship between the variables. So these are represented as the rule of the form X is related with Y, where X and Y are sets of data items.